This is my room in Lafayette, Indiana. This is the Doubletree by Hilton, Lafayette East. This room is really nice. Got all your coffee amenities, some water, ice bucket. You got your little mini fridge. You got plenty of drawer storage, nice size TV, chair and lamp decoration. And here you have a closet, which once you get in, light comes on, has an ironing board right there, if you can see that, and an iron, and obviously my unpacked luggage. Nice big window, air conditioning unit, little table and chair, nightstand. It does have plenty of light. I'll back myself up to the corner here. Big old bed, looks nice and comfy. And then you have nightstand on this side and this really nice bathroom. Now at first glance, I don't really see anything wrong with this room. It is really nice. So if you're ever in Lafayette, Indiana, this is a good place to stay. And there's a steakhouse right next door. There's also McDonald's and some other food places within walking distance. IHOP. Overall, I'm gonna say I'm gonna rate this room a 10. Carpet looks like it's in good condition. Furniture looks in good condition. The whole room looks like it's in good condition. The bathroom does have a like a pocket door, a sliding door, barn door, I guess is what you would call it. Let me show you from a distance. You can see up there, it has like the tracks, so you can close it if you're more than one person. I am not, so it really won't matter. There were plenty of food options in the area, but the food and bar area here were awesome. Overall, my stay here was great. Everything was nice. If you're in the area, definitely stay here.